Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the rear bumper from Tusk for the Can-Am Maverick X3. All right, so for all you lucky Can-Am Maverick X3 owners out there, if you're looking for a way to add protection, good looks, and some functionality to the back of your machine, well, this rear bumper from Tusk is just what you're looking for. This is made from 1.5-inch steel tubing, so super strong, got a nice black powder coated finish to it. As far as the mounting goes, it's real simple. No drilling, no modification is required to your machine. All the mounting hardware is going to come included. It bolts right up to the frame, so it's very secure, very strong once it's mounted in place. And one of the features that I love about this is when you look at the radius rod plate, what's great about that plate is that's actually a part of the rear bumper, and it's stronger than your stock radius rod plate. So you're adding even more strength down there at the bottom. Now, another great feature about that radius rod plate is that it adds some functionality to your side-by-side. So you can see you've got a recovery loop and a shackle mount welded right onto there. That is 3/8-inch steel, so that is super strong. So if you find yourself in a bad situation, you need a tow rope hooked on, or maybe another point to help tie down your machine, well, you now have the ability to do so. So that is it. That is the rear bumper from Tusk, again, for the Can-Am Maverick X3. Leave your questions or comments below, and we will get those answered. Now, one more thing I want to show you before we let you go is you'll notice that we have a spare tire carrier here from Tusk that uses this rear bumper as a mounting point. So if you want to get the bumper and you're looking to add a spare tire carrier, watch the product spotlight that we have on. It's a really cool kit that adds even more functionality to your side-by-side. To pick your rear bumper up, it's real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so just enter the make, the model, and the year when you're picking yours up. You're going to be good to go. Orders over $75 ship free. Get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That way you stay up to date on the latest product reviews like you just saw today, as well as the other machine and buyer's guides that we have to help you get rocking and rolling. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.